Hey, you guys, it's Double Moms, and in today's episode, we're going to take a look at Genius Group Limited, ticker symbol GNS. But before we begin, if you haven't already subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Set notifications on so you don't miss any episodes, and like and share. Also, let me begin by saying we are not financial or stock advisors and we are not giving stock or financial advice. This episode is for entertainment purposes only. Da 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 da. Hey! Always do your own due diligence. Now, if you want access to our private Discord so you can get our pre market picks early, the link is in the description. And we pick a lot of bangers a lot of times. We alerted 100% plus runners for our private Discord members today, November 12th, 2024. And here are the top three. We alerted BTCT pre-market today for our private Discord members before it ran up a parabolic 525%. We also alerted our Discord members to NA today before it ran up 161%, and MULN was alerted to our Discord members before it ran up 153%. We are just made different, folks, just made different, and the early bird gets the cash. By the way, we've also included a link to our membership website program, which also includes all of our incredible stock picks and 400 episodes of material on how we find and trade stocks, how we read candlestick patterns, how we read key levels, and how we use critical indicators, and much, much more. Of course, there are no guarantees you'll succeed in trading stocks if you join our membership site or not, but we share with you how we trade and what's been working for us. So let's get right into it with Genius Group Limited, ticker symbol GNS, which is headquartered in Singapore. It's a publicly traded education and training services company with a $20 million market cap and 300 employees. Now, Genius Group Limited provides entrepreneur education system, business development tools, and management consultancy services to entrepreneurs and entrepreneur resorts. The company owns entrepreneur resorts in Bali and South Africa, which run entrepreneur retreats and workshops. And it also owns Genius Cafe, which is an entrepreneur beach club in Bali, as well as Genius Central, an entrepreneur co working hub in Singapore. In addition, it offers home child care and investment education services and provides career focused on campus and online programs at the master's, bachelor's, and associate degree level, as well as certificate and continuing education programs. The company operates in Europe, the Middle East, Africa, Asia, the Pacific, North America, and South America, and it was founded in 2002. Now, let's take a look at GNS's most recent news. On November 12th, 2024, Genius Group Limited had announced a new strategic direction similar to other publicly listed companies in designating Bitcoin as its primary treasury reserve asset. According to the company, the board of directors had approved several measures under this new strategy, including committing 90% or more of current and future reserves to Bitcoin, utilizing its $150 million at the market facility to acquire up to $120 million in Bitcoin for long-term holding, and launching an education series focused on Bitcoin and blockchain technology using its AI powered tools, and enabling Bitcoin payments on its global educational technology platform. Now, the price action on GNS's stock was pushed upward today, 178% in after hours. The price may continue moving upward tomorrow if more volume or news catalyst comes in. A continuation of price increase is very possible. We will be keeping an eye on it. As we said earlier, if you want access to our private Discord so you can get our pre market picks early, the link is in the description. We pick a lot of bangers, a lot of times. We are just made different. And the early bird gets the cash. And by the way, we've included that link to our membership website program, which also includes all of our incredible stock picks and 400 episodes of material on how we find and trade stocks, how we determine our entry and exit points on trades, how we read candlestick patterns, key levels, and use critical indicators, and much more. Of course, there are no guarantees you'll succeed in trading stocks if you join our membership site or not, but we share with you how we trade and what works for us. In conclusion, Genius Group Limited, ticker symbol GNS, is a publicly traded education and training company in the consumer staples sector. Now, GNS is a company we will be watching. With the right increase in volume, we believe it could be conducive for momentum parabolic scalp trading. Now, will GNS run parabolic? It'll need volume, but who knows for sure? Of course, we would need to see this continued volume before we actually scalp trade this stock. Now, remember, this is not advice. We are not pros, folks. It is just my opinion, but I will have GNS on my watch list. This is Double Moms, and I'll see all of you again on the flip side.